Alright YouTube, so I'm taking my boat to sail today and I'm pulling it with the Mustang in the middle of a winter storm. Selling it that way I can go get my body parts for this Mustang. Put this baby back together today. Woo. Fix my baby today. Only run premium. So yeah, this is gonna be a dangerous trip, but we're gonna try it, see how it goes. Yeah. Hopefully it goes well and we don't have any complications. And yeah, like and subscribe for more content. I'll be posting some more videos along this trip. Ooh, my lips are dry. And yeah, I'll be letting you guys know how it goes. Like and subscribe.